Okay, we start with 2 cups of flour. Add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. To that we add 2 tablespoons of oil, so we're using coconut oil. And 3/4 cups of water. Mix that up. Okay, we'll let this sit for 5 minutes and come back to it. Alright, so this is our dough after 5 minutes of sitting and resting. We put it onto a floured surface. Dust the top with a little bit of flour. And we work it into a ball. Now we divide the ball up into 8 equal pieces. Then we roll each one of these into a ball. Once you have it in a ball, then you're going to roll it out to a 6 or 7 inch circle. Set that one aside and we roll up the rest. Alright, we just send them in the frying pan. It doesn't have to be greased. Just toss them in there and let them cook. So it should be 1 minute to 2 minutes on each side. Alright, so you'll see it start bubbling up around the edges. Then you can give it a flip. Okay, when it starts to get little brown spots on it, you know it's done. I like to wipe out the excess flour in between so you don't get burnt flour on it. Okay, when you're done, you should have a nice thick piece of bread. You tear it apart, it's nice and fluffy on the inside. Good to go.
Ta-da.